What's going on, guys? Ian here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Got another bike I'd like to show you today. We're looking at a 2013 Triumph Storm. It's the matte graphite paint job. It's actually a really nice paint job. It's got a matte finish. I've always liked the gray matte finish on motorcycles. This one does have roughly a 1700cc motor with a 6-speed transmission. Looks like it's got factory exhaust on it, maybe. I'm not sure. It is set up as a 2-up rider, so you do have a 2-up seat, as you can see there. The passenger does have a set of their own pegs. Of course, the rider has a set of theirs. It's got a nice contrast of gloss black and matte coming out of the front fender here. Looks like a brand new front tire. Dual disc braking on the front. It's got a 5.8 gallon gas tank. Weighs roughly 746 pounds. It is liquid cooled, and it does have the fuel injected, and it's not carbureted, it is fuel injected. Belt driven. Come right here to the back, I'll show you the rear tire. It's got a nice rear tire on it with plenty of tread. It's got a wide tire, really. Looks really good. Give me a second, see if I can't come down here to show you the motor real quick. Then I'll turn the key and then see what the mileage is. If I remember correctly, it's really low mileage. 2,695 miles. Let's see if I can get her to start here. Oh, gotta set you down for a second. I gotta pull the clutch on this one. Kind of chilly here in Texas. It's got a nice quiet sound to it. Kind of wakes up when you get on the throttle. It's a really nice motorcycle. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It means it's had a multi-point inspection, gone on at least a 15-mile test ride, and it's had a professional detail. Also, being one of our certified pre-owned, it is eligible for great financing options. It is also eligible for extended warranty plans. We sell and ship bikes all over the world and take virtually anything in on trade. So feel free to give us a call and see what we can do about putting you on this beautiful matte graphite Triumph Storm. This is Ian with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. The freedom to choose.